Hi, this is Matt with the StoreAutomator Customer Success team, here today to show you how to manually add a product to your StoreAutomator account, as well as to how to bulk add products to your StoreAutomator account. First thing you're going to do when adding a product is navigate from your dashboard where we are to your inventory, locatable on the left side of the screen. Hit the little plus sign to expand it and select products. You can see we don't currently have any products added to our account, so we're going to go ahead and do that manually first. Way to do that, go up to the top right under our name, go ahead, click Add Product. First thing we're going to need to do, choose a parentage. Products can be single products or they can be a parent of child products. A single product, exactly what it sounds like. If you had a golf ball retriever, Matt's golf ball retriever, that would be a single product. If you had Matt's classic t-shirt that might come in different sizes and different colors, then Matt's classic t-shirt would be the parent product, and Matt's classic t-shirt in the black XL would be a child product. So we're going to go ahead, select single. We're going to go ahead, choose the type next. There's normal and there's kit. You always want to go with normal. Kits are an entirely different thing. We'll go ahead and explain those in a later video. The product ID is like the ASIN or the UPC, the GTIN, whatever identifies it for channels you sell in. Obviously, if it was in a store, it would have a barcode. Barcode would be a UPC. You can see the little icon right here for that. This is the only field you don't have to enter a value in, so you can leave that blank for now, edit it later. You do have to select the brand, and you can enter whatever you want here. So we're going to go with Acme today. You do have to give the product a name. We're going to say that we have a feather, so we're going to go with the Acme feather. You have two different choices on the SKU. If you don't have any SKUs set, you just want the computer or the system to set the SKU for you, you can go ahead, click Auto SKU. Fast and easy. We'll come up with a unique one. They'll all follow the same format in your account. Simple as can be. If you already have a existing SKU system and you want to manually enter it, you can do that too. And I'm going to go with a manual SKU for this demo, and we're going to make the SKU M Feather 123. We do have to give this feather a price. We're going to say that it's a $10 feather, and we do have to let the system know how many we have of these so it can push that quantity to the channels if we have it set up to do that. We're going to go ahead and say we have 100 of them in our warehouse. That's all the information you need to give the system. We can go ahead, click create, and it's gone ahead, and we can already see in the background here it's added that product. I can go ahead and close this, and you can see we have 100 of them on hand, and their price is $10 USD. So that is how you manually add a product in the system. If you had to do that for 1,000 or 2,000 or 10,000 products, that would certainly get old. So we also allow you to bulk upload your products in StoreAutomator. From the main screen, first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to have a CSV or an XLS or your spreadsheet file of choice ready to go. I already have that queued up here. It's inventory for demo. And you can see I have the product data SKU, required field, brand name, parentage, product ID, etc., etc., etc. And we have some additional data that is not required, although optionally you can add a lot more. So to add that file to StoreAutomator, what I'm going to do is I am going to go to Tools. I'm going to expand that. Tools is on your left, has the little wrench next to it. I'm going to go to Import, and I'm going to go to Import from File. If you want to know what file format is acceptable, you can click Help. It'll take you to our Help area. And in our Help article, we have a whole article on how to bulk import and what fields you need. We have the 5 minimum fields, which is going to be the product data SKU, the title, the description, the brand name, and the price. And then we have more in-depth descriptions of these as well, what your options are, what you're allowed to do, what you're not allowed to do, and some examples. So you can reference this help article at any time. I obviously don't need to do that. File's all ready to go. So just going to show you what to do. So you can click to upload. You're going to go ahead, find that file, select it. You can see here, green bars 100% across. StoreAutomator has received that file from me and it has started to process it. When it is done processing, I will get a notification on this bell that says we're done processing, but I can also watch it processing them live. So I'm going to go back to my inventory. I'm going to select my products in my inventory again. And you can see we've already loaded 5 products from the file that I uploaded. Eventually, it'll have about 130 products in here, and I'll know it's done, and I'll get the notification at the bell icon in the top right. So that's how you bulk add products to your StoreAutomator account. Thanks for watching. Thanks for choosing StoreAutomator. Have a great day.